Good afternoon mga MMM. I'm Jamila Ribon from Quezon City, and I would like to thank MMM for giving me a help. Now I will show you my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and on October 16, I request to get help amounting 2,000 pesos. And the 2,000 pesos comes in on my referral bonus 1,860 and another referral bonus 56. Then the bonus for the confirmed bonus for the video chain letter 60. Then the 3 leftover. Total 2,000 pesos. Now below you will see my provider. Two person. So the first person is Rimilin Abian who provide help 400 pesos to me. Also check. So the checks means she already sent 400 pesos to me. Then another is Anthony who provide 1,600 pesos. Yan, in total of 2,000 pesos. So thank you to my sender, and I would like to thank you also to my manager. I'm very happy to that he invited me in this community. Always help community, always help with the people. So thank you very much, my manager, and also to the founder of MMM, Mr. Sergi Mabrudi. Mabuhay po kayo. Thank you for creating this system to us. And I would like to encourage you all to join MMM. Marami pa tayong matutulungan na tao. Together we change the world. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.